Hello, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video number 14, we are going to learn how to insert and format time in Excel. So let's dive into it. You can see my weekday start work, end work, hours worked, and the day of the work. So you can see I want your start work, end work, and how many hours they have worked. So first we will insert and format the cell. So first I will select the cell start work and end work. So I'll just select the range and then right click and then format cell, and then you can see I'll go to time and I will select the third one because this is the suitable one and it will show AM and PM. So I need only minutes, I don't consider seconds, so I need hour and minutes. Also choose this and hit OK. Now this is done. Now suppose my start work is 9 and then 30. I'll just hit enter and you can see my 9:30 AM is showing and my end work is suppose 5:30 PM. Then I'll select here 5:30 and you can see if I click 5:30 it means AM, so for that I will have to choose here PM, 5:30 PM. So if you don't want to write AM PM, then you can directly write 17 colon 30 and it will show the same, but because it calculates 24 hours. So in this way you can choose 5:30 PM or direct 17.30 and then this is done and I will have to calculate the hours. So for that I will click here equal to and then select the end work minus start work and hit enter and you can see 8 AM is showing, but actually this is 8 hours. So I'll format this. I'll go to format cell and here I need only in custom. I'll go to custom and I need only hour minute and I have choose custom and hour. I need only hour and minutes, so hit OK and you can see the work has of only 8 hours. If I change here for 9 to 8 and 20, I'll make this 20 and hit enter. You can see 9 hour 10 minutes hour has worked on Sunday. So in this way you can drag it and you can see the all format is shown as corrected. So in this way you can insert time and also format the time. So this is a quick easy tutorial which will help you. So thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video.